Transform your Kajabi site from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few clicks by uploading a stunning third-party theme. Ready to give your Kajabi site a professional glow-up without starting from scratch? Today, we're unlocking the power of third-party themes to instantly elevate your brand aesthetic. This process is perfect for those on higher-tier Kajabi plans looking for a unique user experience. First things first, log into your Kajabi account, navigate to your dashboard, and locate the Website tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Website, and then select Themes from the drop-down. On the Themes page, you'll see your current theme. Look for a button that says Upload Theme, or something similar, usually located in the top right corner. Click this to begin the upload process. You'll be prompted to select your theme file. Make sure you have your downloaded third-party theme file ready, which is typically a zip archive. Browse your computer, select the correct file, and click Open. Kajabi will now upload and process your theme. This might take a moment, depending on the file size. Once it's ready, you'll see your new uploaded theme listed among your available themes. Now, to make this new look live, simply click the Apply or Select button next to your uploaded theme. Your website will instantly transform to reflect its new design. But we're not done yet. It's time to make it truly yours. Click on Customize or navigate to your theme settings. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, layout options, and upload your own logo to perfectly align with your brand. For more advanced customization, Kajabi's code editor allows you to fine-tune specific sections. Remember, this feature is usually available on higher-tier Kajabi plans. Experiment and have fun creating a truly unique website. And just like that, you've installed and customized a third-party theme, creating a standout website that will captivate your audience. Happy designing!